Yesterday, on the 9th of May 2024, a significant operation unfolded in the Kaliram Basti railway overbridge area, as security forces intercepted a vehicle suspected of carrying a large quantity of narcotics. A coordinated effort involving the Assam Battalion, CRPF and Khatkhati Police culminated in an ambush operation at the Kaliram Basti railway overbridge. Led by S.I. Ramen Bordoloi and his team from the Khatkhati Police Station, the operation was conducted under the supervision of SDPO Bokajan. At approximately 5:30 p.m., a Bolero vehicle with registration number NL07CB8179 was intercepted and searched. During the search, a significant quantity of narcotics drugs was discovered. Additionally, a 9mm Beretta Pistol with 3 magazines and 43 rounds of live ammunition were seized. 5 individuals were apprehended from the vehicles identified as Thonga Wangsa, Aloto Chisi, Hekiho Zimoni, Sri Hukiwi Aye and Sattar Ali. The investigation into the matter is currently being conducted by the Assam Police. The successful operation underscores the ongoing effort of security forces to combat the management of narcotics trafficking into the region. Stay tuned for future updates on this developing story.